Good evening, folks. Mark here in the fan cave. What I have today is a 1988 Casablanca brochure. Yesterday I acquired a Spirit of Saturn from the original owner, and she still had the brochure. So yeah, this is it. There's this person, can't tell if it's a man or a woman, but there's a Spirit of Saturn up there, sort of a blurry image of it. This actually cost $3 back then. So and this came with it. Yeah, instructions. It's a hang true canopy on there, even though it's the one that came with it's a stepped canopy. I'm just going to kind of fly through this. You guys can pause at your leisure. There we go. Oh, it's like a centerfold. Okay, and there is the Spirit of Saturn. It's like the one that I got. You know, it's white with the polished brass yesterday, and I actually have I have two of those. I'm hoping to do a dual install sooner or later. Yeah, my other one's just like that, brass with the Saturn light. Yeah, it looks like that. This one was circled, but or is, you know, to indicate which one it was. But yeah, this one here, this is definitely high on my want list. The wood blades with the amber colored discs. Wouldn't mind the mauve. That's pretty cool. Just an unusual. Actually, I'll take any of these. Okay, then we have the Pardon My Zephyr. Oh, nice formal dining room. I'd eat there. Nice beveled glass. So I get the reflection from the lights here. Right, then we've got the Victorian limited edition, the gallery edition Victorians. And the gallery edition Victorian, the 5-light kit. I had a couple of those over the years. Four Seasons. All that wood and the can lights, and reminds me, yeah, it's right out of the 80s and 90s. All right, then you've got the Panama, Panama. Oh, wallpaper! Look at that. Oof, I love that stuff. Although, you know, that looks so vintage. Like I'm going in, like, you know, an elderly person's house or something. You know, like your grandmother's house, or something. You know, not my grandmother's house. She didn't have that kind of money, but I always liked that. It looked like the head of the, like a chess piece, like a bishop or something. Black and chrome with the spotlights. That's pretty cool. All right. Cambridge. I used to deliver to Cambridge. Yeah, that's my racket. Gato. You got to be kidding me. Yeah, I had a Cambridge once a long time ago. I can't remember what happened to it. I think it had like 20 years ago. It probably got lost in the flood. Delta 2. I've had more than these than I can count. The oh, that's nice. I like the Ferrari red. Oh, and that is so cool. They have the Indian motorcycle ephemera up on the wall. I've actually been to the Indian Motorcycle Museum in Springfield. It's pretty interesting place if you're in a old. I mean, I like old anything that's old that moves, cars and bikes and trucks and buses, all that stuff. That's Lady Delta. Dolls. Lots of dolls. Again, I've got one of those. It doesn't have the pull chains though. It has the little electric thingy. The wall switch. Oh, collectible spoons and clock. They didn't spare on the collectibles when making the various paraphernalia when making the setting the stage for these. That's pretty cool. I mean, yeah, restaurants. Ooh, hot sauce. Now we're talking. I'm getting hungry. Oh, here we go. It's the Commodore Vanderbilt. Bright Lights Cheese and Wine. That's a migraine in the works. But I digress. Yeah, the IntelliTouch controller had a brain fart. I couldn't remember what it was called. Ride the Lightning. Dun, 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 dun. What is that? That's an old Peterbilt cab over. Oh, what that? Maybe it's a white Freightliner. I can't tell. Oh, look at all those Malazos. I love it. Blades. I love that Ferrari red. That's a classic color right there. So rare. The cane too. Don't see too much. There's too many cane blades with Casablancas. Williamsburg style. I guess that's what it's called. Yeah, the etched glass and schoolhouse. I like the schoolhouse. The round globe too. I don't think they have one. There's Burton. The late great. All right. I want to take this opportunity to thank you very much for watching. Please do stay tuned for more fan videos. Good night and good luck.